Happy Valentine's Day. Welcome back. As a part of our Valentine's Day series, we are going to make a cocktail called the Valentine's Day Kiss. So this includes really simple ingredients. A wine that is strawberry flavored. I have gone with a Moscato strawberries and cream, some vodka, and a tin of Sprite. I have a glass. All you do, this one's super simple, pour it all into your glass and you're off to go. I have got a strawberry on the side of my glass as a little bit of decoration. We need 1 shot, so 30 ml of vodka. Any vodka of your liking. You can muddle some strawberries in the bottom of this. I don't generally like drinking mushed up fruit, but if you do, you do you. We need 60 ml of your wine. I haven't yet, oh, it smells divine. I haven't tasted this one yet, but by the smell of that, I think I'm gonna really like it. Next is your Sprite. All you do then is top up your glass till your glass is full. And there you have a Valentine's Day kiss. This one is super simple. You could literally sit everything you need in an esky by the pool and have super cute cocktails for all your ladies. First, we should taste it though. Oh, it smells good. Oh yeah, that is good. I have a feeling this wine is going to be divine to drink by itself, because in this cocktail, it is stunning. Cheers. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you give this cocktail a try.